Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue west on I-90 and I-94. We're also on a concurrency with I-39 North, which is about to come to an end. We're in Columbia County, Wisconsin, and we begin at mile marker 110. The mile markers on this portion of the route, as well as the exit numbers, indicate the distance to the end of I-90 in Wisconsin. After I-39 exits to the north, I-90 and I-94 are reduced to 2 travel lanes and will continue with just 2 lanes almost to the Minnesota border. We enter Sauk County, founded in 1844. The county is named for the indigenous Sauk people who historically inhabited the area. Yankee settlers from New England began arriving in the early 1800s. From 1884 to 1917, Baraboo, the county seat of Sauk County, was headquarters to the Ringling Brothers Circus. Today's Circus World Museum is located in Baraboo, displaying a collection of circus wagons and other artifacts. Also in Sauk County is the Badger Army Ammunition Plant, which was the largest munitions factory in the world during World War II. In 1984, the Culver's Restaurant franchise was started in Sauk City, and that same year, Cirrus Aircraft was founded in a barn in Baraboo to produce the VK-30 kit aircraft. As of the 2020 census, Sauk County has a population of 65,763. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. and give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the village of Lake Delton, a resort area with an estimated population of 2,987 as of 2019. Among the attractions at Lake Delton are the world's largest Trojan horse, as well as the world's largest pink flamingo. From 1952 to 2006, Lake Delton was home to the Wonder Spot, a place where the laws of natural gravity seemed to be repealed. We enter the city of Wisconsin Dells, located on the dells or rapids of the Wisconsin River, a scenic, glacier-formed gorge that features striking sandstone formations along the banks of the river. Wisconsin Dells is known for water parks, live entertainment, wineries, dining, and festivals. The area, including Lake Delton, sees over 4 million visitors annually. We conclude today's video at mile marker 86. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.